What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Week 13, spring, summer 2021 human made. You already know what I'm gonna say. You know what to do down below. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Hit the notification bell. Greatly appreciate all the support that I can get on the road to 1,000. Also, follow me on IG if you don't have that already. Feel free to hit that link down below to my IG page. Feel free to follow me. Anyway, we're finna get into week 13 of human made. Damn, this shit been going by really quick. And I would like to say this was a really good week. I only got one thing, but the stuff that they dropped was pretty like unique and different. I guess you could say that compared to since I first started doing like pickups and stuff like that for human made. I thought it was a pretty dope week. But anyway, let's get right into just get right into it. I don't want to hold y'all. I don't want to hold y'all. I got things to do. It's 1:13. I gotta go eat and do some other stuff. But anyway, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. All right, let's get right into week 13. Some dope shit dropped. We finna get right into it. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but let's get right into it. Let's get it. First tee, we going into t-shirts first. Let's get. All right, come on, Dan, hurry up. All right, so the first tee, we ain't gonna go with the weekly tees that they always drop. But we finna get into the first one, which is the human made pocket tee with a duck on the side, like an oversized duck. Passed on, I wasn't feeling it. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling this one. I wasn't feeling this, so I just passed on it. But it do seem like, yeah, they sold out in the XL, 2XLs, in black, but they still have it in white. Yeah, the black, I would go with the black more, but they sold out, so I was gonna get it regardless. But again, one of the tees that they dropped. So the next tee that they dropped, now this one, I had to cop this one. It came in black and white. As you can see, the black, I passed on the black one, but I got the white version. And I'm so glad Nigo brought one of these characters back. Well, one of the animals that he used to use in his old designs. He brought it back. Thank you for doing that, Nigo. And it has like a revamp to it than what it used to look like. So it got like it looks more like along the lines of all the other animals that they've been doing, from the polar bear, the tiger, the duck, the pig. So it's like more cohesive, like with those designs of the other animals. And it's called a kopi. Man, what's the name of it? Where's my phone? Well, anyway, I just put it down below what it's called. It's called a kopi something, and they poop out these coffee beans. I guess they eat them and something happened in their stomach. And I don't know. But anyway, you can go check this link that I'm gonna put up on the screen from my homeboy Gears for Futuristic Teenagers. He had posted up about this tee. And it gave a little bit of background behind this little animal so y'all can learn a little bit more. So y'all can check that. And oh, here's my phone. Here it is. Yeah, this thing is called I guess it's called a civet cat, but it normally is called the, where is it? But anyway, if y'all want to learn about it, I'll post the link on the screen so y'all know a little bit more about this design and why it poops out coffee beans. And my thing is, who the hell came up with the idea, oh, this thing poop this out, let me make coffee out of it and drink it? Like, who the fuck? I know the person probably dead by now because it's like something that's old, that's been done for a very long time, but who the hell think of this kind of stuff? But anyway, here's the white version. This is the version that I got, and I thought it was just so cool and dope, so I had to get this one. And I hope he do way more with this damn design, because this is one of the designs that I really like. And I hope he brings back that bulldog. I say take away that damn pig, bring back the bulldog as well with this. And I think he'll have a hit. And he also didn't have he used to use the panda, but don't use it no more for some reason. But anyway, that's the tee that I got. Had to cop it. Glad that I had the chance to get it, and I got it. So it's sold out in all sizes in white, but it still has some in black. So by the time they drop the black, probably sold out as well. All right, so the cut and sew. All right, so they dropped this one. I was literally thinking about getting this shit. I was literally thinking about getting this. But the thing is, the reason why I didn't get the tee, I would rather get the cargo pants of this design instead of the tee. Cause I feel like I can make it like a little bit more of a simpler fit with the pants instead of the tee. And I wouldn't want to match both shirt and the damn pants. They'll look stupid, like real stupid. But I would prefer to buy the pants instead of the tee. But it's decent, it's dope. I like when Nigo going with this camo pattern. But I prefer the brown over the green any day. So that's that. He also restocked on this one, on the long sleeve. They restocked on that one, and I think I missed a tee. Let me go back real quick. Yeah, I missed a T. So they dropped this one as well, the Beatles. I'm not a Beatles fan, but Nigo is a big Beatles fan. And I think they dropped a design like this similar like not too long ago. But I'm good on this one, so I passed on this as well. So let's get back to the cut and sew. But yeah, they restocked on the polar bear. And the long sleeve sold out in my size. I really wanted this. But I'm not going to get in the large because it's going to be too small. Because I got a feeling if I get in the large, like the cuff will come about right here. So I'll be screwing myself. So I missed out on this one. I really wanted it because I feel like I have like a real casual fit with this. Like really casual, nothing too over the top, just casual. Wear like some chino jean, well, chino pants or something like that, some crop pants with this. And be, you know, going about my day and get some New Balances to wear with this. Simple fit, you know, nothing too crazy. So I think that's it for that. Is this new? Is this new? I think this is new. But we'll go over because I don't remember seeing this. So anyway, this is the thermal. Like who? I remember dudes used to wear thermals a lot. I mean a lot. Like back when I was in high school, like 2005 to 7, that's all dudes wore with thermals. Weird. I don't know why, but right. So the buttons is a heart. On the back it just says human made. Nothing too crazy. Next. Same pocket tee. Still up. All right, jackets. No new jackets. Same stuff. Pants. All right, so they dropped some pants. Yeah, they already dropped this one. I talked about this one last week. So they dropped some sweats. They sold out. I want the gray ones. They sold out of my size. So like I just been taking L's. I really wanted these, but it's cool because I already got the other ones, the tan ones that y'all seen before. What else? Pants. Okay. And then they had dropped these like heart shorts, like knee knockers type shorts. I'm good on these. Yeah, it just ain't something I would wear. Just I don't know. It's just I'm good on it. So it comes like a green and like okay. So it comes with these two analogous dark brown and a tan and a forest green and a light green. All right, so that's it for that. And we're gonna go to the shoes. So they dropped 3 pairs of shoes. So we're gonna go with the first one. Okay, I like these a lot. And they ain't that expensive either. But these are something I can see myself wearing. We'll go back to it. Like this. Wearing like this long sleeve with some shoes like these would be perfect. Perfect. So they got human made on the back of the heel, bottom heel, human made, okay, gives futuristic teenagers on the inside sole. I like these. I don't mind them. But I would prefer this one. Depending on what I'm at, depending on how I will put this together, I will rock these. All right, so that's it for the shoes. We're gonna get to the goods. So the goods, they dropped some bucket hats. And I kind of like these, but I tried on a bucket hat before. It just don't, it ain't gonna work, dog. That ain't gonna work. So they dropped like a olive and a tan. So as you can see, like you like fold it up on the sides and snap it together with the buttons. But yeah, I tried wearing bucket hats before. Like I just put it on, looked in the mirror, like yep, took it right back off. Just took it right back off. It ain't for me. All right, so that's it for the bucket hats. We got another round of bucket hats with the camo. Schoolboy Q need to come back out with the camo hats. Well, not the camo, with the bucket hats. So they came out with the, you know, the normal colorway. I like this one a little bit more. Again, I know I said I'm not really a big fan of like camo print and stuff like that. But I don't mind this. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I'm wishy-washy, y'all. I'm wishy-washy. Work with me. Yeah, this is clean. It's clean. But I wouldn't wear it. It ain't for me. I just wear these dad hats. And the I did not like these. I'm good. I'm good on these type of hats. It's just, I don't know. I just never liked the placement, like that bottom, what is that? Left of the hat. Not feeling it. But I think that is it. I hope I ain't missing out on nothing. Let me make sure. Make sure. Yeah, that is it for this week. I hope y'all got what y'all wanted. I only got one thing, and that was it. And I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got. But anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.